Hey guys, this is Chris with Dicot Designs. I used to live in a van and I had 25 gallons of fresh water, but the thing is that I barely ever took showers. Water is one of the more difficult resources to manage in a van. I know that people think a lot about solar and being able to recharge their battery bank, etc. Usually you can figure that stuff out with your alternator. There's a lot of different ways to get power, right? But when it comes to water, you have to find clean, potable water where it's easy to fill up your water tank. And you can run through water like this, you know. I learned that making pasta in a van would use up a ton of water, and I really wanted to be conservative with my water use. So I didn't take a ton of showers in a van, or not as many as I wanted to. That's why I think that the infinity shower is such a great solution for people. It's a recirculating shower system that lets you take basically an endless hot shower on less than 1 gallon of water. You can be on the road, get dirty, go mountain biking, go skiing, and then come back to your van and have peace of mind knowing that you can take a shower and not drain your entire water tank and have to go fill up on water right away. The other thing that's nice about it is that the water pressure coming out of the head is really strong, so it's not like you're taking a sad little shower in here. I mean, you're taking a full shower like you would at home. So to use the shower, you're going to start out by turning on what we would call your regular or your normal shower. So not necessarily the infinity shower system yet. So we'll turn this on. During this time, you're going to want to take like a military style shower. Use any soap you want and get a quick rinse off, you know, especially if you're muddy or something like that. When you're ready to use your infinity shower system and recirculate that water, you're going to turn that button on. And what that's going to do is it's going to start to run a gallon of water through the infinity shower system and through a series of filters. So first a micron filter and then a UV filter to give you nice clean water. And now this is all recirculated water. At this time, you're going to want to use the infinity shower soap that is provided in the kit. And from here, you can just take a 30-40 minute shower. I mean, you're literally just recirculating the same water. It's going through those filters, so it's getting clean. And the nice thing too is that this is heated water, so you can still adjust your knob, and it's not like this water is going to get cold or anything. It's still going to remain hot, and you can take that nice long hot shower. When you're done using the infinity shower system and recirculating that water, you can simply turn it off, and it's going to kick back on your original shower system. And from there, you can just take a quick rinse off if you want to, and then from there, just turn off your shower and you're all done. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough of how the infinity shower system works. In terms of maintenance, it's pretty simple. You really just want to clean that micron filter every now and again. We tried to make it really easy to access that micron filter. So we have this removable panel here with some magnets, and then you can just unscrew this micron filter, and you'll notice there'll be maybe a little bit of debris from your last shower. You can just rinse this out, clean it out, and then easily just attach it here. And in this section, you can kind of see that we have both the micron filter and the UV sterilizer here as well. Honestly, and I don't just say this, I think this is one of the coolest systems that you can install in a van. When vans are such an investment, you really want to make it a space that you want to spend time in and can really enjoy and appreciate with the comforts of home, because it is a home on wheels. Plus, as an installer, it was pretty easy and straightforward to install. And one thing that's really helpful is when the supplier, in this case Infinity Shower, is really communicative on their stuff and puts out a product that, you know, is really durable, uses good materials and everything. So it's a product that we've really enjoyed putting in the vans and look forward to installing in more vans in the future. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough of the Infinity Shower. We're super stoked to be offering it to our clients. If you're someone that might be interested or just has some general questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to answer your questions.